Good morning and happy Friday. I'm walking with my mom and Skittles. Skittles is stopping to sniff every 2 feet. And she is a diva. I'm dropping off my preliminaries ballot like a good citizen, and I hope all of you guys have been engaging in your local elections as well, because we say this every year, but it just gets more and more important every time. Got my coffee. That guy's enjoying his music. What was that? Red Hot Chili Peppers? Alright, can you hold my coffee? Let's do this. We did it. Alright, which way would you like to walk back?
I guess the same way, so that way she already
So it's flat.
she already sniffed the same stuff.
Oh, smart.
Daily acceptance and practicing radical acceptance over things I can't change. Yeah, I feel like I was
Actually doing things. Look how big!
I'd rather just like do it. I know that's probably not the best for everybody, but
5 years. Now, Erin, you've been here for
Have a good one. Thank you. See you soon. Yeah.
It's raining and we're going to the farmer's market. I brought my own coffee today because I had some. Okay, we're home. Austin got some Ethiopian food at the market. Here's this injera. So that looks like it's going to be delicious. We went to the farmer's market and we went to Mom's. So we got this popcorn. This is my favorite popcorn. The Himalayan sea salt and truffle. Actually, I'll go ahead and put this in the snack bowl. Some more baby kale, some cupcakes, apples. Let's see, we got some Colby Jack shreds, some slices, carrots, soy milk. Austin got some ice cream. This is like a new thing, this Wonder Milk. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, he wants it. No, he's gonna put it in the freezer. Then, of course, as always, he grabs his Uncle Eddie's vegan cookies. They're his favorite.
Those are the best cookies.
And then in this bag, we have a bulb of garlic, some green bell peppers, and green beans from the farmer's market. And over here, Franny, stop clawing the carpet, you little nuisance. We've got 3 different kinds of peppers. We got portobello, king trumpet, and some shiitake. Then we got a couple ears of corn. I'm gonna grill the portobellos and some bluebs, some nice blueberries. So that should be good for the week. We still had some cherries and a couple peaches left over from last week, so I didn't get a ton of fruit, but I'm gonna help Austin put all that away. And I'm gonna have some leftover Indian food. Indian food for brunch. Delicious. It's 9 o'clock at night, but I'm bored and awake. So I think I'm gonna work out, but I wanted to show you guys a couple of things. You'll have already seen my haul video, but I did get a couple new bags. I love this, even though Austin hates it. It's kind of ridiculous, but that's why I like it, because it's sort of ridiculous. A little bit. Got this too. It's really cute. Kind of want the blue one now and pink one and all the colors, so super cute. But I need to change. I'm gonna go work out. I haven't been putting my leggings away the way I like to, but oh well. We'll go with the bold body ones, and then I'll go work out. I work out, and then I remember I hate working out, and I'm sweating out my straight hair. Good morning and happy Sunday. Here's my hair. I don't know if I've showed it in all its glory, but I'm very pleased with it. We are going to the movies to see Thor. I've got my little Amazon sunglasses on, and my farmer's market hat with my cute little Clouds and Ladders pin, my Zimmerman dress, my new Brandon Blackwood purse, which holds a ton. I'm very pleased with this. And then I've got my Vans on my feet. And yeah, hopefully Thor is very, very good. We'll see. Hey y'all, hey, I'm turning the TV down a little. Ugh, I got a little lip pimple. Anyway, we went to see Thor and I really liked it. And the post-credit scene, oh my god. Well, the first one, very exciting. I hope something happens with that because very exciting. We got home, we went over to Golden West to have some lunch. I wasn't super hungry, but I got the stuffed avocados and they had like vegan tuna. I was expecting like a chickpea salad, right? It was like, I don't know, TVP or something. It was too realistic tasting and weird. I didn't like it at all, but Austin said he liked it, so we brought it home. He'll have that at some point. And then we watched the Orioles game, and that's all we've really done today. Yeah, but I did really enjoy the movie. We've been watching Miss Marvel on Disney Plus, which I could say I want to encourage y'all to watch if you are Marvel watchers, program watchers, because I saw very little advertisement for it, and all the advertisement I saw felt like it was geared more towards tweens and teens, but it's actually a good show. Like, it's not just for kids. So I thought it would be hokey or cheesy, but it's actually really good. I've been enjoying it, and I'm like into the story. So that, I just wanted to let y'all know. And then what else have I been up to? Oh, I was just about to buy a bag on Poshmark. So I wore my little brown Brandon Blackwood bag today, and I decided I loved it. And I looked on Poshmark, there was a purple one, and I thought, oh, perfect. I don't even own a purple bag, that would be perfect. So I submitted an offer, and the girl messaged me back, well, commented back and was like, I'll take the offer, but I'm only doing Apple Pay or PayPal, which I should report because you're not supposed to do off-app activity, but I'm not going to bother. I was just like, decline my offer. I'm not interested. I'm not doing that. That's how you get scammed. No, thank you. So, I won't be getting that. So now I'm like thinking, do I get the blue one that was on Shopbop, or do I look on his website and get one of a different shape? Because there's similar designs with the clear body, but in different shapes. I don't know. I don't really need any of it. It's all just for funsies. Yeah. What else did we do? We got an Instagram picture. We popped in the liquor store so I could buy some more añejo because I'm pretty much out of that. I really like the one, I don't know what it's called, Caravado, I don't know. It's got a deer on the bottle. It's a good one. I like the cocktails I've made with that. But yeah, otherwise, I'm just kind of chilling. I'm having a relaxed day. I might go edit a video. I filmed my haul of my Shopbop stuff, but I haven't edited that and put it up yet. I probably should go out and tend to my tomato plant because it's getting huge. It's going crazy, but I just don't feel like it. I'm having a nice lazy Sunday. But we're going to be doing stuff next week and the week after and the week after and the week after. So I'm appreciating my lazy Sunday too, because we'll have plans for the next 4 weekends in a row. So maybe 5. I didn't even look at the calendar to see if there was something after that. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I really should show you guys the tomato plant. It's really thriving. And the jalapenos, they're getting so big. Maybe I'll do that in a few minutes, but I'm gonna finish relaxing. Hello and happy Monday. I am walking home from my chiropractor's appointment because Austin has the car, but it's a gorgeous day to be doing so. Got some coffee and a bagel at the Home Park Bagel, and I think it's gonna be a beautiful morning. I got a jalapeno bagel. I decided to mix it up and try something different. That's been my mood lately. I've been in the mood to try different things. We went out to Golden West for lunch yesterday. I got something different. I didn't like it, but it wasn't the end of the world. I tried something new. Austin ended up liking it and brought it home, and later he put it in a wrap. It was a stuffed avocado with like faux tuna, but I thought it would just be like chickpea mash, but it was like a weird faux fish, and I'm just not into things that are actual replicas of foods. I'm not that into it. But yeah, just been in the mood to try new things lately. With the brighter pink, with a different bagel, with a new dish. You know, I'm just mixing it up. So last night, I started planning a trip to Asheville. We were supposed to go with my brother and sister-in-law, but their schedule isn't working out. So I'm just going, I was going to go by myself, but then my friend's like, I'll go with you. So it's going to be a girls' trip. Because Austin wasn't all that interested anyway. So that's new. I don't typically travel on my own or with friends, so that's fun. I can't wait to do that. And I think I owe you guys a look at my tomatoes. So we'll do that when I get home. Wanted to show you all my little OOTD, which is pretty plain. When I'm on my period and have to go to the chiropractor, I like to just be in all black because some of the stretches, even though I've got my Diva Cup in, I'm just like, on the off chance something escapes, I'd like to not be able to see it. I've got my little all-bird shoes, which are great to walk around in. And then this was just a shirt from Loft. Got the sports bra. This is from Girlfriend. So, and then these sunglasses are a few years old. I got them at like Torrid or something. We were there helping Austin's mom get some jeans, and these were so cute I had to have them. So yeah, that's the OOTD. I'm gonna check my email, and then I have got some breakfast going. I bought a bagel, but I wanted to put some mushroom bacon on it and maybe a little just egg. So jazzing it up to be a little more substantial. And that's what I'm up to. Gonna work. My bagel sandwich. I think I'm definitely gonna stick with everything bagels because they're more exciting, but I'm very happy I got this jalapeno bagel because it was also very good. I know I've talked about this before, but I've done it again. Do you ever just cram so many to-dos in your Monday just so you get them done that you end up completely burnt out? Because I'm feeling so burnt out. I have done so much today, and I still have to-dos that aren't even checked off yet. And I did all my work. I've catched up. I caught up on mostly all my work. I still have to send out some event tickets and confirm something with a caterer, but otherwise I'm good to go on work stuff. I'm just so burnt out right now. I did way too much, and I don't know. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind, people. Meanwhile, Fran is sleeping in the window and just living the life of luxury. I'm so jealous, but there's still more to be done. I have to upload all these vlog clips, and I have to start thinking about, even though it's months away, start thinking about if me and Austin are going to do anything for our anniversary. What else do I have to do? Some laundry. I'm like looking at my planner. It's sitting on the desk right next to me. Yeah, just burning myself out on a Monday. And Austin's out of town, so I'm like, do I make plans with someone? Do I go get drinks with a friend? Do I take advantage of this? Or do I loaf around like a potato and just soak in the alone time? I feel like I'd be happy to do both. I don't know. But there's still more to be done, so I better get back to it. As promised, more tomatoes. And even more tomatoes. It's getting so big. And my jalapenos. And I forget what these are called. But these little peppers. Everything's looking so nice.